What do you think, Mr. Beans?
That's the way it is. Look at the beans machines getting through. That's the Can-Am life now.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today we are here for a group ride up at Majestic Trails in Smethport, Pennsylvania. It is with Falconer Power Sports and Jim Coast Sales and Service, both Can-Am dealers. We decided to bring the kids with us and have an awesome day out on the trails, which you will see they definitely did. There was quite a few of us and some other people with some kids as well. So definitely an awesome area. If you are in the Smethport, Bradford, PA area, check out Majestic Trails, but also come check out Falconer Power Sports in Falconer, New York. So anybody who follows this page knows that trail riding's fun, but when you're with the beans, we're gonna find the mud. And that's exactly what we did. Let's see what we did with some mud.
He did.
What do you think, Mr. Beans?
That's the way it is. Look at the beans machines getting through. That's the Can-Am life now.
Once again, thank you to Falconer Power Sports and Jim Coast Sales and Service for putting on this awesome ride in Majestic. As you can see, we all had a great time. The kids had a great time. We're building some real mud warriors over there. And we just want to thank everybody again. Majestic Trails, Smethport PA, right outside Bradford. Make sure to stop in to Falconer Power Sports and get any of your Can-Am needs. Go where the beans goes. Falconer Power Sports, again, thanks for an awesome ride. Can't wait to be back. Stay tuned, subscribe. We still have our last day of Hatfield McCoy coming, but we wanted to throw this one out there before. Again, Majestic Trails, Falconer Power Sports, roasted beans and tires. Hit the subscribe button.
Motherfucking design all right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down.